Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected viewers, you are watching YouTube channel Evergreen Knowledge and I am Dr.Abid Nawaz. Respected viewers, I hope that you have subscribed this channel already. But if you did not subscribe this channel yet, please subscribe this channel before watching this video so that you could have all of my upcoming videos well in time. Respected viewers, we were talking about diphthongs. Today, let me talk about Urdu phonology. So today, here are consonants and vowel sounds of Urdu. Let me talk about the different kinds of the voices and the places of the voices. There are some kinds of the voices, for example, glottal, voiceless, unaspirated, voiced unaspirated, voiceless aspirated, voiced aspirated, and the second kind is voiceless or voiced. Third and the fourth is vowels and nasalization. Now the the place of the sound is bilabial. First one is bilabial, second is dental, third is retroflex, fourth is palatal, fifth is velar, and sixth one is post-velar. So now, first of all, P, the sound pa, it is described by the letter P. The sound is pa. It is voiceless. Then it is bilabial and voiceless. Ta sound denoted by the T, it is dental sound and it is also voiceless. The third is ta, T capital, it is T capital, ta. It is retroflex, it is also voiceless. And then is sa sound, C, letter C, sound is sa, it is palatal, it is also voiceless. Then is ka sound, it is denoted by the, represented by the K, letter K, it is velar sound, it is also voiceless. And the next one is qa. Qa sound, it is represented by Q, it is post-velar and it is also voiceless. Voiceless as well as unaspirated. All these sounds, pa, ta, tha, fa, ka, qa, all these are voiceless as well as unaspirated. Now let me tell you the voiced and unaspirated voices. So these are voiced and unaspirated sounds. The first one is ba. Ba, it is bilabial. Da, it is dental. Da, D capital, it is retroflex. Ja, it is palatal. And ga, it is velar. Here is no post-velar sound. Next is pa sound, pa, ph, pa. Pa sound, it is bilabial and it is voiceless aspirated. Voiceless as well as aspirated. Then tha, th, tha, fa. It is dental, it is also voiceless as well as aspirated. Next is fa, th, T capital, th. It is retroflex sound, it is also voiceless as well as aspirated. Next is cha, ch, cha. Cha as well as sha. It is palatal and it is also voiceless as well as aspirated sound. Next one is kha, kh, kha. It is velar and it is voiceless as well as aspirated sound. Next one is the bha, bh bha. It is bilabial. It is also voiced and aspirated. Next is dha, dh dha. It is dental and it is also voiced aspirated. Next is dha, d capital H, dh. It is retroflex and it is voiced and aspirated. Next is jha, jh jha. It is palatal sound and it is voiced as well as aspirated. And next is gha, gh gha. It is velar and voiced and aspirated sound. This is. Now the second category. Second category is the voiceless and voiced. So first of all, let me talk about the voiced sounds. Voiceless sounds. So voiceless are first one bilabial is fa, capital F, fa sound. Next is dental. It is sa, small s, sa. This is also voiceless. And next is fi. It is palatal. It is also voiceless. And next is v, produced by or represented by x. It is also voiceless. Now the voiced sounds are, first bilabial one is wa, represented by capital W, wa. Next is dental sound the, represented by small v. These all are voiced. Next is z. It is also small z. It is palatal sound. And next is ga. It is capital G. It is velar sound and voiced. Now the third category is ma, m capital. It is bilabial. Na. It is n capital. It is dental. Or y, ya sound. It is voice, small y. It is retroflex. And ra sound, small r. It is also retroflex. Next is ra, r capital. It is palatal sound. And next is ra, r capital, h small. It is velar sound. Next is la, la sound. It is post velar. And next ha, represented by h. It is also post velar. Next, the fourth category. Fourth category is ma, ma sound. Capital M, small h, ma sound. It is dental. Next is na, n small and h small, na. It is palatal. And la, lh. It is a post velar sound. And next the vowels. Vowels are small a, sound is a. Double small a, sound is a. Then small e, sound is e. Then small double small e, sound is e. Then small I, sound is e. Then double small I, sound is e. Next is o, sound is o. Next is double small o, sound is u. And next is u, sound is u. Next w, small w, sound is u. Next small a, small I, sound is I. Next is small a, small u, sound is ow. And at the end is the nasalization. So nasalization is N. It is represented by capital N. It indicates that the preceding vowel is nasalized. So respected viewers, the chart gives us to understand that the Urdu phonology is as rich as any other language, and minor difficulties are noticed when borrowed words are pronounced. I have already went on to describe about the system of long and short vowels in Urdu. So there are in the Urdu 6 pairs of long and short vowels and 2 inherently long vowels. For example, I and ow. Among the short vowels, E and O are of infrequent occurrence. That the long vowels are indicated by writing the symbol twice does not mean a short vowel is pronounced twice to be called long. So respected viewers, it's enough for the day. Inshallah, I'll be with you very soon if life and health permits with the new recording. I hope that this recording will be liked by you and you will also write your comments about this. Till the next video, let me leave. Take care of yourself as well as of your beloveds. May Allah bless us all. Allah Hafiz.